Hey everybody, it's Michael here from GetFitOver40.com, and it's a bit of an update video for you guys. I made a video about Royal Medical Center a while back. They're a hormone therapy clinic, and in that video I was talking about, their reputation, what they do, and you should watch that video because I go into a lot more detail than I'm going to go in here. This is just going to be kind of quickly talking about them, and the update is that their discount that you get through my my discount code, which is GFO40, Get Fit Over 40. So GFO40, that's the discount code you use when you sign up or inquire at least about their services. When you use that code, you're going to get $45 off. So instead of $195 per month, it's going to be $150 a month. And at the time that I made that first video, it was supposed to be ongoing, but they reached out to me and they said it just wasn't viable for them to continue doing it at that ongoing rate of $150 per month. But they are going to offer that discount for the first 6 months. And the nice thing about that is that basically you kind of have a 6-month term. It's not really a term, but I believe the $195 that you pay for all the testing and the doctors and all the initial getting started. If you go that 6 months, that's all bundled kind of into it. But if you don't go that 6 months, it's not. So if you go 6 months, you're going to get a really good idea. You're going to save $45 a month. You're going to get the $150 rate. And if after the 6 months, there's really no extra fees or there's no real contract or anything that you have to worry about. So it gives you an idea of whether you like the services that they provide, if everything's working out, if you like how everything's going, if you're feeling better, all of those things. If you decide it's not working out for you, you can either stop using them or maybe switch to another company or decide that maybe hormone therapy isn't for you. It's totally up to you what you want to do at that point. So let's go over kind of what they do in terms of what they're offering in the fee for the program. And so the program, it's truly all-inclusive. So they treat your symptoms. They're not going to just necessarily treat your blood work, which a lot of doctors will do. They'll look at your blood work and say, you're fine. If your blood work is close to the cutoffs on the low side, a lot of doctors, they're not going to do anything because you're still in the norm. So what they're going to do at Royal Medical Center is they're going to look at your symptoms as well and treat you on those. They're going to follow up with your lab work after 3 months. So they're going to do initial lab work, and then 3 months, 90 days later, they're going to do all the follow-ups. And then it's ongoing follow-ups, of course, throughout when you're dealing with them as well. I'm sure not every 3 months, but perhaps, once a year type thing. Now, doctors' consultations are always free, and medications are shipped directly to you from FDA-approved pharmacies at no additional cost. There's really no contract or hidden fees, no additional startup fee other than the $195, which is just to get going, and then it's $150 per month after that. So again, remember to use the coupon code GFO40. That's going to save you $45, almost $50 a month for the first 6 months if you use it. And again, I haven't heard any negative feedback other than some people have reached out to me to say, hey, I thought the $45 was ongoing. And at a certain point, they sort of switched it over. But they were transparent with the clients about that. They didn't just say, "Oh, get going." They just didn't stop after 6 months. It was all understood at the beginning, but maybe not the expectation from watching my first video where I said it was ongoing. But things change, right? Prices change, plans change. After when things happen over time, things change. But anyways, great company to deal with. They've been great with me. I've been basically consulting with them month to month, just seeing how things are going. And they've been very transparent about what's going on in terms of how many people are signing up and, how many people are actually engaging through my website. And it's been really good. It's been a lot of people have been reaching out to them. So it's been awesome. So I'm glad that's been working out for everybody. All right. Thanks for watching another GetFitOver40.com video. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Until next time, take care.